Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina and today we will paint the lily. I take the flat brush number 22, load up one edge of the brush with the light pink color and other edge with the dark pink color. You can use the violet color or purple color. Blend these colors on the palette. And now let's paint the petals. The first, the second, and let's paint the petals here the same way. Let it dry. Now load up the same brush with the white color and light pink color. Blend these colors on the palette and we will make the strokes like this. And for the other petal, you see, it's very easy. Let's make the strokes in this part of the petal, like this. Short stroke. And a little bit here. And let's paint the stroke here like this. Short strokes, it's very easy. And here too. And some stroke on the background petals. Now we can take the small brush, the small liner, number 1 or number 0. Take the white color and we will paint some strokes like this. We will outline our petals like this. Make the stroke like this. and a little bit here. Let's paint the center. Now we can paint some leaves. I take the smaller brush. You can use the flat brush number 10 or 8. Let's load up one edge of the brush with the light green color and other edge with the dark green color. Blend these colors on the palette. Let's make some strokes like this. We can take the small brush again, the dark green color. Some details. And a little bit light green color. Here is our lily. I hope you like it. See you. Bye.